Decleor Aroma Sun Expert High Repair After Sun Balm. Decleor Aroma Sun Expert High Repair After Sun Balm is a nourishing essential oil balm that helps soothe irritated skin from sun exposure. It provides instant relief to burned or irritated skin from prolonged sun exposure. Skin will instantly feel the soothing and calming effects of the silky, 100% natural formula made with nourishing pure essential oils. With one application, your burns will have long-lasting comfort while resisting early peeling.